I've noticed the clearance are there. They are on the regular aisle, so you have to double check really to make sure that they're on clearance. Like 97, you know, because sometimes you see you have to check if it's like really clearance or they just changed the yellow one. See, they are on the regular aisle. Okay. $7. Okay, we have to wait to go down for more. $3. Okay, hold on. Clearance. 1935. Is it 35? Place it. Is that the one? No, it's not. Oh yes, it is. So it's $35. Oh, which one is $7? Oh no, don't want. I thought this is $7. No, I'm gonna wait. Which one is $2? Fairies Bella. Is this the one? No. No, it's not. What is it? $2? I think it might be worth it. Hold on. Is this the one? Oh, it's right that side. Yeah, hold on. So these are $7. You have $2 off. Why Uno is right here? No, that was not it. I think we have to check. Where are they? Oops. It's been a long time. I have not been to Walmart. Okay. I'm checking clearance. The Easter Squishmallow, they should be on clearance now because obviously Easter is done. Okay, I need to go back and check what is the $2. The Hello Kitty, still 26. Okay.